Right, so when it's not on the unit circle, you're going to have to do some investigative work. You're going to have to make it work. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to convert to degrees. Now remember, I don't like degrees, I don't, but I know all I have to do is multiply by 180 and take it to degrees. Remember, you don't get a calculator, and y'all, I am not good at this, like I can't do this kind of math. I can't. I've never been good at doing mental math like this at all. But I am so good at simplifying fractions. Watch what I'm going to do. See this 180? In my head, I'm going to break it up. 180 is 18 times 10, right? Watch this. 18 is 6 times 3 and 5 times 2. I very purposefully 100% chose those numbers because I was trying to see if 12 was in 180. And it is. Look. That's 12. 12 times what makes 180? What's 3 times 5? So 12 times 15 makes 180. So if you guys knew that already, that's so awesome. I didn't know that. But look, remember, I don't know how to multiply big giant numbers, but watch this. I'm going to be simplifying my fraction. I'm going to put 7 pi times 180, but I'm not writing 180. I'm writing 12 times 15. And then I'm going to write the denominator, 12 times pi. And then watch me go. Watch me cancel out this stuff. Boom, 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 boom. So I do have to multiply 7 times 15. I can handle that. I cannot handle 7 times 180 divided by 12. But I can do 7 times 15. What is 7 times 15? 105. Cool. Is 105 on here? Where's 105? Well, it exists. It's just in between these two. We have to find it. All of this was step 1. So step 1, I put in pink. That was your first investigative step. Your next step is to find stuff on the unit circle that either adds or subtracts to this. Unit circle that adds or subtracts. All right, look. It's still not hard, guys. 105. 105. What is in the last digits place of 105? Look at your unit circle. Do you have any degrees that end in a 5?
Yes.
What kind of degrees end in a 5? 135, 45, all of your pi over 4, right? Let's just subtract 140, or let's subtract 45 from this. 105 minus 45, which is on the unit circle. What's 105 minus 45? Is 60 on the unit circle? That's it. You just scored. So what you're telling me is 45 degrees plus 60 degrees is 105, right? Yes? Remember, I hate degrees. What's the sine value? What's the radians for 45? Pi over 4. Plus, what's the radians for 60? Pi over 3. That's what we're solving.
That's not the answer.
Nope. Remember, we're looking for the exact trig function. We had to do all this legwork to actually start. So, remember, there was parentheses printed on the problem. We just changed the way the problem looked. We haven't even started solving the problem. We just changed the way it looked. Okay, sum of sine. Sine is first. Guys, remember sine is not a liar, and it always ends with sine. It starts with sine and it ends with sine. So remember, it's going to be the sine value of pi over 4. You know that. What's the sine value of pi over 4? Yeah. So on your next line underneath it, write square root 2 over 2 times cosine of pi over 3. You know that. What's cosine of pi over 3? Sure enough. We copy the plus sign. This is going to be cosine of alpha. What goes here? Yes. Times sine of pi over 3. What's this? Yes. You're going to line up before the bell rings. You just hang in with me. Order of operations. Y'all, remember you multiply straight across on this. What's root 2 times 1? What's your denominator? Don't pack up. 4. We're going to recopy this plus sign. You better tell me what root 2 times root 3 is. Root 6. Y'all have been multiplying radicals all this time. When you rationalize the denominator, you're multiplying radicals. This is root 6 over 4. So guys, your sine value is, y'all can't combine these, so you have to write root 2 plus root 6. That is your exact sine value for 105 degrees. Right there. Feel free to pack up. You have homework.